videos about Shira, about what happened with Shira right now. She have a big depression right now. She sit near me. We go into the main office and police station in our place, and I will explain to you when she already arrived. She will go to police station, and I will explain what happened with her. We talk about our hater, what's why she depression right now. Sorry, maybe someone not understand my broken English, but I try to put some. I will explain in under my video, in description of the video. Maybe who don't understand my English, you can read and you can understand what happened. So now we in the Mabalacat city. This is left side or right side to Manila. It's Mabiga exit. If right, to go to Mabiga. If left side, it's going to Subic. And Subic or Baguio. So this is card in the front, it's Mitsubishi. She going from Manila. This is, if from right, they go from Manila. This is location. It's the center of Mabalacat city. And we're going now to the main office of police station in Mabalacat city. Right side, the main office. This is place named Mabiga. Mabiga, Mabalacat city. So guys, Shira very upset watch video one of our hater. His channel is Andy Amar. Of course it's not true name. His original name is Oliver. We know also his real name, how old, from where. All information we already have. And Shira already, after watch this video from his channel, under depression. Already second day she not eat. I buy for her little foods, but little bit she eat, and depression, and he don't want even talk. It's not easy for her, because you know, she's skinny, but she need to eat more, and she always eat more. But now she not even eat. She don't want. That's why she watch this video, how he discriminate her. You guys can see video and understand. This is Oliver or Amar. Talking about us not good, about what we're doing wrong video, like, that is not his problem. Where we take video, what we do it. He also post about her personal information in another channels and other websites. Now we're going to San Fernando, is capital of Pampanga province. We're going to the main office and police station. We already called and they waiting us because need to case also in main office, open case. So we're turning to the Mabiga exit to San Fernando City through NLEX Bay Road. This one. Traffic. We need 11 minutes drive. This is a hospital. This is popular hospital, big hospital in San Fernando. Very popular. Jos B. Lingard Memorial General Hospital. Shaira, how?
B. Lingard Memorial General Hospital.
Oh, yeah.
They call it JBL in short.
JBL.
Yeah.
Okay. Traffic, always
It's
traffic.
most famous hospital here because more people go here because it's more not expensive.
Yeah, develop so many people, not easy to park, but have parking space have, I know, it's not expensive, 20 peso pay and you can park, big parking place. This rotonda and we need to turn left. Now already we in the camp Olivia Elementary. It's the main office of police in Pampanga City, or in Pampanga province, San Fernando City. In camp you can see lake. Shaira now in the office. Sorry, I continue video from home because all day I am busy. We was busy because we been in the San Fernando, in Mabalacat also. I just continue say about Andy Amar, or his name Oliver. He is citizen of USA. He is from Renton, Washington State. We know about him. How old? He is 42 years old. He lives in the Angeles, and we were very upset about this about what he talking about us. And Shaira now not good feel because she's after she watching his video, and she don't want it. She don't want talk. I don't know what he want. She said he know with this person. She said to me before maybe 3 months or 4 months, I not remember. She said to me, one foreigner tried to touch her to hand and say, you go with me. When she stand and wait me near cafe in the walking street, and this person try to talk with her. He maybe find girls for sex. No, of course, most of people go to the walking street to find girls. She's in this time she say to me, I said, Shaira, it's place for like people find girls for night. Of course, he don't know you. He don't know. That's why he asking to talk with you. But he hold her hand and she said, "Go, you go with me." She said, "What you doing?" That's why I don't know. YouTube channel. He said, "Oh, I take money from YouTube channel." It's this is YouTube channel is Filipino channel. It's YouTube channel is Shaira YouTube channel. I filming, I hold camera. Sometimes Shaira hold camera. You know, if she go with camera and take video also. Not only me. Even our friend Georgi hold camera and filming in the walking street. You know, when I sick, about 1 month I sick. I not go outside. I asking someone who can walk and show to our subscriber what happened now in the walking street and around walking street, not only in the walking street and Fields Avenue. And that's why I not need money from YouTube. It's money to Shaira on, and Shaira pay tax from YouTube. It's about $300-400 a month. It's maximum from YouTube, because video from walking street is not monetization. Don't have monetization. We don't have money from video from walking street. Most of if we talk, if we show some another place except walking street, yes, it's have monetization. But from walking street video don't have monetization. You know, many bloggers. That's why I cannot go to night time in walking street, because it's not money, don't profitable. Better talking about walking street, talk only. It's monetization, of course. But if you go to walking street with music, with girls, it don't have monetization. It's my hobby. We go to walking street only 2 times a week. Friday we go to walking street daytime, 5:30 about 5:30 we go and we eat. We eat in Korean restaurant. And Saturday 10 o'clock we go to walking street. We drink coffee, meet with our friends. We not go to every day. Not go to every day. You can see my video. Not every day. Even Shaira said in our main video about our channel, only 2 times a week we go to walking street. Another, we go into the show hotels, show another road, another places in the Angeles city, Clark also. Of course, most of the video you can see walking street. It's like it's on most of the video. It's only for like pay attention, because most of people want see walking street. If put Angeles walking street, it's more attention. But in real, it's maybe half video only walking street, or maybe 5 minutes only walking street. I just pass walking street, not in the walking street. So who think this is Amar? Also, Amar said about Shaira tooth. Why? What? Why? For what? Does not matter what happened with her health or how he looking. She's my wife. We go to dentist. I also have teeth is not good. I always go to dentist. We have a personal dentist here. And if have some hole, we can go to dentist and fix. Same Shaira. Before she use what is this? I don't know name. Bracket, put in here in the metal, like metal. It's many girls use, many girls. But we remove because she said it not comfortable to her. Long time she use, but she fix it already, fix it. But and this time when we been in the car, I do live stream in the car. After accident, I am shocked and Shaira also. We in depression and we do live stream. I put a small flashlight inside of the Shaira head. That's why it's flashlight in the side and can see her face like in the bright here and the focused maybe to the tooth. That's why maybe people see, oh, she can. What she say? What he say? It's Amar say. She look like a monster like this. She say, he say not good about Shaira how she looking. But why? Everybody can different faces. Who good looking, who handsome, who not. I am not handsome. I am not handsome. I am not good looking. And what? I cannot filming in the my face. Or Shaira. But for me, Shaira beautiful. If for another people not beautiful, I not care what people say about her. Why need to say about her bad, how she looking? Every girl, for example, if you say to every girl, or you not good looking, it's good or not. Even she not good looking, no, not need to say true. Not need to say if she not good looking. Many people not ideal, not like models, not all models, but why need to discriminate people? I don't understand. Really, I don't understand. That's why I'm shocked why it's Amar. He like finding haters against us. He find, I don't know, what reason. Yes, I have reason. He want to, if his video many watched people, and he have money from this YouTube. I know, because many people watch. He have profit from YouTube, but not need discriminate. He said bad about Philippines. About government of the Philippines, about police. He said all corruption in the Philippines, all police corruption in the Philippines. No, if he say, no, police not help to him personally because he said not good. And we today been in the many places, in the police, in government place. We explain about him. And I sent message to him. He don't want to meet. I said, Amar, Oliver, can we meet personally? Just say to me when and what time. I want to talk with you personal, because I don't want to talk with keyboard warrior, like sofa warrior who only chat, talking not good, but he don't want to meet personal. I'm not afraid. I can meet again with Korean people. I'm not afraid, you know me. But Oliver say to me, I don't want to meet with trash. He say to me, I am trash. Why? Why he say to me like this? I want only meet with him, and he can say to me face to face. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to meet. That's why he always, well, you know, he is keyboard warrior, but we will try to find him, because we already start. If someone know him, if someone from our subscribers know him, please message to our email. You can help me. You can help us to find him. Of course, we can find in Barangay. We're going to Barangay also, but of course we don't have so much time, because also tomorrow we go to Manila, to government. Also, it's for all day. I will take video in Manila also. I walking only. You can see in Manila what happened now before Christmas or before New Year. Today we already been in San Fernando. We walk in San Fernando also. I just need time for edit video, and you can see so many video. I just only don't have time to edit video because I'm so busy. I'm so busy also with my business. I have business in China. Who knows? So I'm not working in the Philippines. I have business in China already long time, and I need time. So many time for my work also. So Amar or Oliver say to me, "Oh, I just only find money from YouTube." Just how he said, drama queen. Not why he think this is not true. You can see people, normal people can understand. Watch my video, and you will know. Shaira don't want even in the focus of the camera now. She, I don't know. She very mad to this is Oliver. Sorry guys about this video, but I will upload also video, walking video, have more video. Please, who know this is Andy Omar, please reply to my email. Maybe you can help me, you can help us. Thank you very much in advance.